Okay guys, we're back and I'm just going to finish up my paint because otherwise it's a waste. I don't like to waste paint. I know the only waste paint is the paint left in the tube, but we do have some paint that I want to finish off. So we're going to push that up here. I'm going to put a little more around it to close it in. Then we're going to, this is starting to get thick. If you save paint or you just leave it for the next pour, before you do, you really should be making sure the paint is back to its good consistency. And I've had this from last week. I just let it sit on my table. I do put a damp cloth over it, and then when I'm in the studio I just spray some more water on top of it just to keep it damp, and that way now well, look what happened. Okay, can't help it. No use crying over spilt milk. Spilt paint. There we go, a little bit more, and we're gonna take that out, go over that, see what happens. Oops, that's too much. I really like that top bit. This bit here, that's going to work out. Ooh, yeah, let's make it a little curvy. See what happens. Ooh, that's going to be pretty. I would show it to you, but I am not sure where I got my little... Oh, there it is. So that's going to be really perfect. Oh, you can't see it because it's in the dark. There you go. But that is really pretty. Let me get you in focus. It's not really doing a good job of focusing, but I'm going to do that. See that? That is pretty. Nah, that. And I'm going to try one where I use a different background color. I'm going to do something I've never done before. This is kind of intense. So that's what we're going to do. Get a clean cup. Put that in here. Put some more blue around it. There you go. Now don't be scared. We're going to put some orange in there. We're going to make this one pop. So orange in the cup. Okay. Call me crazy, but I'm going to put green in there too. You guys are always saying I don't use nice colors, so here we go. Ew. Nah, that's why I don't use colors like this. That's some nice lacing, but this is so freaking ugly. Sorry guys. This is really not nice. There's just no way I can pour with colors like this. And I'm sure someone's gonna say, but oh, I like those colors. But to tell you the truth, I don't. I think they're not that nice. Can't do anything with this, guys. This is... Oh boy. I'll keep it, you know, I just might stick it on my door or something like that. But that wasn't really pretty. So we're gonna do one with white. Ooh, that's really thick. I'm gonna spread that out like that. Gonna put in a little light blue. Turquoise. Touch of green. Not too much. Then some nice dark blue. Turn it around. And I'm going to see if this is the good consistency. Nope. A little bit of water. Yep. This has the silicone in it. And one more time. This is nice. I like this. I like those colors. The colors just make it, you know, nice to look at. I do want to get some motion into it. Ooh, that's pretty. This little wavy thing here. I'm going to keep this one. I still have one cup. Let's do one of these too, where we put that in the middle, put the cup in, put some more around. There you go. Then come in with the colors. Just a drop of this one, not too much. I have another one here. That's another turquoise, a lighter one. And we'll drop a little bit of white on top. That's it. I can work with most of this. Might even make a long one like that. That is nice. This one's pretty. Yep, we're gonna keep this one. It's a keeper. Spread it out a little bit. Give us a little more room to do stuff with it. But we're gonna keep this one too. Okay, last one. Let's see, what can we do? I think I'd like to try a swipe with this color. Just see what happens. And I will put a little green on top because you do want to have a little variation. Then we're going to put the white down here. And swipe it up and back down. Ooh, those colors are pretty. That is really nice. Let me get in. That is nice. This I'm not going to do anything with because I think this is perfect. They're going to be some awesome pieces out of this one. That's pretty. Okay. We're gonna do one more because I really like those colors. I think it's because I put the green through it and then the white over the top. It sort of made it look a lot better. So we're gonna make sure we get a big one this time. No kidding, guys, sweat is running from my forehead, from my back. I'm gonna take a shower straight after this. This is crazy. I am done. Oops, almost dropped it. Okay, nice clean palette knife. And right back. Loving the colors. That's another keeper, it really is. Although I see a scratch in here where you see the paper, it sure has to go down there. It has to fill in a little bit. Oh, that is even prettier now that it goes like that. I could do that here too. Oh, that is pretty. Can you see that? Look at that. See how this all comes down? That is so pretty. For a pendant, this is really pretty. For a canvas, I don't know, but I just want that to fall in. Let's see if we can do that. Doing it really, really carefully. There's a little smoochy poo there. Taking it out. That is really awesome how it just curls up. For jewelry, I think this is perfect. So we're going to keep this one too. Okay, guys. Love you all to pieces. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta add the finishing touch because this one is really pretty. Wow. That even makes it look better. See that? The touch of glitter. That is awesome. Okay, guys, love you all to pieces. See you in the next one, which will be tomorrow. We're going to be doing some shibori. Later.